Today we talked mainly about the outlook for the next years in the container industry, whether it would be profitable or not. And actually, from a shipper standpoint, we were discussing what it means for the shippers. So, from our side, what I highlighted is that, of course, the outlooks are usually very positive, maybe too positive, while in practice we don't see that necessarily happening. So there is, of course, some increases in the rates, but it's very temporal and very specific on specific lanes. But overall, we see that everything is in balance, or at least repeating what has happened in the last years. One thing that I think we will have to be careful of as a shipper is that we will need to be prepared for the better times for the carriers, because of course this is not a sustainable environment, it's not a sustainable business, they are not profitable today, and this is for actually most of the trades that we are shipping on. And it means that it will be a moment that there will be huge increases in the rates, and that would mean for us that we have to reconsider doing business in that area, or maybe shift our trade flows. So it's a combination of how the balance will work out, but also the regulations on the environment and on the financial side that will also impact the carriers, and as such they will impact us as shippers. Maybe one thing on the technology that we talked about is that there is a lot of technology available, and it's being used, but it's not being optimized. It's not being optimized because the technology is maybe not as its best, so there is some development still to be made, but also because of the fact that there is so many different parties involved, and we need the collaboration of all the parties. We need the collaboration of the ports, of the carriers, of the shippers, of all the parties in between, to make sure that we have a full visibility on what's happening. And it can mainly be on the shipment side, but also on the containers when they are empty. Where are they, so that we can reuse them, and without going and doing the same while our neighbor is actually using the container and not needing it anymore.